Hello students, NTA has released a very important public notice for all those candidates who want to apply for the CUET exam, which are going to happen in the month of July. So basically the portal will be open, the website will be open from today till 31st of May till 9 p.m. in the night. So students who are interested in submitting the application form or registering themselves can do it now from today till 31st of May by 9 p.m. that is 9 p.m. in the night. So candidates who have not submitted but filled the application form can log in through their login credentials, and new registrations can also be done now till 31st of May. After that, there will be no logins, no registrations, no application submissions or any kind of editing available for you candidates for the CUET exam. So you can do it now till 31st of May. This is a very important information given by the NTA. Thank you.